Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best sand vacuum is probably one of the most important tools for any aquarium owner who wants to keep their tank sparkling clean and their fish happy and healthy. In this video, we will review the top-rated sand vacuums on the market, comparing their features, ease of use, and overall effectiveness in maintaining a pristine aquarium environment, helping you choose the perfect one for your needs and budget. Number 5. LUIGI'S Gravel Pump Vacuum. It's time to make aquarium cleaning easier. This handy tool helps you change water quickly and efficiently, without the usual mess and drips. Cleaning your fish tank has never been simpler. It removes waste and toxins from your gravel, keeping your aquarium sparkling clean. With its built-in filter, it protects your fish and invertebrates from being accidentally sucked up during cleaning. It's safe and gentle on your tank's inhabitants. Change 30 liters of water in just 5 minutes. It's designed for speed and convenience, saving you valuable time. Get professional level cleaning without the high price tag. It's a robust and reliable tool that performs like much more expensive siphons. No more manual priming needed. Simply pump and start cleaning. Enjoy quick, effortless water changes and a crystal clear tank. What we like. This gravel vacuum is incredibly easy to use, just pump and go. It's also designed with a filter to protect your aquatic friends. If you're on a budget but still want a reliable cleaner, this is the one for you. What people say. Good quality and this works great. So perfect for cleaning out the fountain after the winds blow dirt into it. Now I don't have to drain and clean. Bare bottom tank 10 gal works great, quick water change, sucks up debris. It's very easy to use, easy to clean. Suction is fine. It does suck up a good amount of water in a short amount of time. Number 4. 7-foot aquarium siphon vacuum. Say goodbye to tedious fish tank cleaning. This siphon vacuum makes it easy to remove waste and keep your aquarium sparkling. Its extra long hose allows you to reach every corner of your tank without any hassle. The clear, flexible hose is durable and won't kink. The gravel tube with its filter screen gently cleans your tank bottom without disturbing your fish or decorations. It's safe and efficient. Simply squeeze the siphon ball a few times to start the flow. No need for any blowing or extra effort, it's completely self-priming. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 3-month warranty for quality-related issues, with a free replacement or refund. Contact our customer service with any questions. What we like. Its extra long hose makes cleaning even the largest tanks a breeze. The durable construction ensures it will last. If you need a reliable and long-lasting siphon, this is a great choice. What people say. The 5-foot hose provides ample reach, allowing me to clean the entire tank without having to constantly reposition the device. Using the siphon vacuum cleaner is straightforward. The priming bulb makes it easy to start the suction process, and once the water flow begins, the cleaner effectively sucks up debris, dirt, and waste from the gravel and sand. The adjustable flow controller allows me to regulate the water flow according to the specific cleaning needs of my tank. Number 3. TERA Pump TRFTCLN-S Aquarium Cleaner. This innovative aquarium cleaner makes maintaining your small aquarium a breeze. It's BPA-free and safe for all your aquatic life. It siphons up to a gallon of water per minute, emptying a 5-gallon tank in just 5 minutes. Control the flow easily with the handy pinch tube feature. It's perfect for cleaning small aquariums under 10 gallons, but also great for other uses like cleaning out window wells or even watering plants. Simply attach the suction cup, place the hose in your bucket, and start siphoning. It's designed to be gentle on your aquarium inhabitants. The included nozzle helps remove leftover food, waste, and gravel, keeping your aquarium sparkling clean. It's also lightweight and portable for easy use anywhere. Backed by TERA Pump's 10 years of experience and a 1-year warranty, you can trust it for years of reliable service. Enjoy worry-free aquarium maintenance. What we like. This little cleaner is surprisingly efficient, emptying small tanks in minutes. It's also BPA-free, ensuring the safety of your fish. If you have a small aquarium and value speed and safety, this is perfect. What people say. This vacuums the moam from my bare bottom breeder tanks quickly, doesn't get clogged with plant matter, and works very well in gravel too. Great for large water changes as it moves a lot of water fast, and has been a huge time saver for me. The bulb is easy to hand pump and gets the water flowing with no further pumping needed after just 3 to 5 pumps. The suction power is much better than I expected for a product that doesn't plug in or use batteries. It's pretty cool to see the gravel get sucked up in there a bit and stop well before the strainer area while the gunk keeps going through the tube and into the waste bucket. Number 2. GreenJoy Aquarium Cleaning Kit. This kit makes keeping your aquarium clean and healthy easier than ever. It includes everything you need for a thorough cleaning, saving you time and effort. It's built to last. Both tools are made from durable, high-quality materials, ensuring they'll be a reliable part of your aquarium maintenance routine. This versatile tool is a game-changer. It has 5 functions in one: a fish net, gravel rake, algae scraper, fork, and sponge brush, all for a complete clean. This tool makes water changes and sand cleaning a breeze. It efficiently removes waste without disturbing your fish or gravel. It's simple to assemble, disassemble, and clean after each use. This ensures hygiene and prolongs the life of your cleaning tools. A clean aquarium is a happy aquarium. This kit helps you maintain a safe and healthy environment for your fish. What we like. This isn't just a vacuum, it's a complete cleaning kit. You get a siphon and multiple tools for algae and other debris. If you want a comprehensive cleaning solution, this is the best option. What people say. Easy to use. The attachments it came with sound cheap in quality but has worked really great with removing the water. The gravel cleaner works well, making the task of changing water and cleaning the gravel much more manageable. The different tools included in the set, like the plant fork and fishing net, are handy and easy to use. Have used it multiple times and it works wonders. Excels at cleaning up dirt, and all attachments are handy when I'm doing other tasks in my tank. Number 1. UPETTOOLS Aquarium Cleaner. This innovative cleaner is designed to make maintaining your aquarium easier than ever before. It's a 6-in-1 tool that handles everything from water changes to gravel cleaning. It's not just a vacuum, it's a water changer, sand washer, debris cleaner, water filter, and even a water shower. This versatile tool adapts to your needs. With a powerful 110V 28W motor, it can pump 1700 LH. Cleaning a large tank is quick and easy, saving you valuable time. The adjustable tube extends from 23.6 to 37.7 inches, accommodating various tank sizes and water levels. It's perfect for tanks from 13.7 to 47.2 inches tall. Easily change water, remove food debris, and suck up fish waste. It's the ultimate solution for a sparkling clean aquarium. We stand behind our product's quality with a lifetime warranty and dedicated 24/7 customer support. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This electric cleaner is incredibly powerful and fast, making quick work of even large tanks. It also offers multiple cleaning functions. If you need a powerful and efficient solution for a large aquarium, this is the one to choose. What people say. It makes water changes so much easier. I can easily use it to remove water and clean my sand, and I can use it to pump the new water from the bucket on the floor into my aquarium on its stand. I'm very pleased with the performance, power, and ease of use of this product. It makes weekly water changes and tank cleaning a non-issue. This has a good amount of suction and is very easy to assemble. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.